Okay, there's a nice 4-inch ABS clean out in front of the property. You can see it right there. Remove the cap. Location. And drop in. Goes 2 ways. I ran water previously, so we'll see which way we're going to end up going here. I know this camera's going to get dirty as soon as I drop this, so let's see what I come up with. Okay. And right away we're going to cast iron. This could be going towards the house. Go ahead and snap picture. Alright, so I just turned on the water hose. Trying to figure out which way this thing is going. And it looks like we're going up towards the house. So I won't see any water flow. So this is going inside towards the house, towards the structure. Looks like we got cast iron, some corrosion and scaling. Otherwise it looks pretty open. The original piping will go as far as we can. Alright, so you see the heavy corrosion, original pipes, and the cast iron. This is going into the house. That's about as far as we're going to go right there. You see the waste lines, some heavy corrosion and scaling. So I'm going to pull back out now. So under the house, cast iron with some corrosion, scaling. That's what you expect to see in these old cast iron pipes. But they seem the water's flowing good. It's moving. Pull out, they're going to go back down the other way. This will be towards the main city sewer line. So it's the ABS clean out. I'm going to go ahead and turn around the camera and head down. Okay, so you see the water flowing. Now we're headed towards the street. Again, this is, it's like, almost going good. Looks like ABS. About 20 feet down. And looks good. Okay, so now we're got a nice. This is either a liner. We got the white PVC. Yeah, so it's got a liner there. So this line was serviced. You have the epoxy lining. You see the numbers there, which is a good sign. They did some work to this line. They're 40 feet in. And so somebody spent some good money lining out this pipe, which could have been clay, likely past. Now it's full epoxy lining. 6 feet, so it looks good. Going smoothly. Cobwebs, no big deal. Spiders like to get everywhere. Now they're on my lens. And I see spider webs. I got them off. More spider webs. Here they're coming too. And there we are. Got a little picture. We are 86 feet out to the main sewer line. There's our top hat, and that's going to drop right in there. Everything looks good. So we got cast iron up into the house. Got some corrosion and scaling. Typical. Come back out, head down to the street. ABS, and they put a epoxy liner in all the way down to the main. And it's 87.6 feet out, and everything looks great.